What is digital productivity and how does it work in daily life? If you feel like you are always connected but not always producing what you would like, you are not alone. Messages, notifications, online meetings, files in several places, all of this can help, but it can also slow down your routine. Digital productivity is exactly about this: how to use technology in your favor, instead of letting it steal your time and attention. What is digital productivity in simple words? Directly, digital productivity means using technological tools and resources well to do more, with less effort and less time, while keeping quality in what you deliver. In practice, it means knowing how to use apps, software, and online platforms to organize tasks, collaborate with others, automate what is repetitive, and have the right information at the right moment. Quick examples in your routine. Some simple examples in daily life. Using a task app so you don't forget important commitments. Saving documents in the cloud to access from your phone, laptop, or tablet. Sharing files instead of sending version 1, 2, 3 by email. Creating automatic reminders for bills, deadlines, or meetings. Using an online calendar to organize work, study, and personal life. See? It's not distant at all. It's just using what you already have in a more intentional way. Tools that show up most in daily life. When we talk about digital productivity, some types of tools usually show up. Task and project managers. Online calendars. Note-taking and reminder apps. Communication and meeting platforms. Automation tools that perform repetitive actions by themselves. Apps that track time usage and help control distractions. You don't need to use everything. The secret is to choose a few resources that solve real problems in your routine. Digital productivity is not just having more apps. There is a common trap, thinking that the more tools you have, the more productive you are. In fact, what works best is combining a few solutions strategically to protect your focus and simplify your workflow. Digital productivity is not living by testing a new app every day, it is building a way of working where technology does the heavy lifting and you focus on what truly requires your mind. Main benefits in practice. When you get it right with technology, some clear benefits start to appear. Less rework, because everything is organized and accessible. Less time wasted searching for files and information. More clarity about what to do first. More collaboration, because everyone sees the same information in real time. A greater sense of control over the day, even when many things are happening. This applies to people who work in companies, freelancers, students, or anyone managing personal projects. Cautions, distractions, information overload, and fatigue. At the same time, the digital world brings challenges: too many notifications, constant comparison, the feeling that you never disconnect, and that you need to respond to everything immediately. That's why digital productivity also involves setting limits, muting unnecessary alerts, defining times for email and messages, separating moments of deep focus, and reserving real breaks. It's not just about producing more, it's about producing better, without putting your mental health at risk. Summary and next step for you. If there is one idea to keep this one. Digital productivity is the ability to use technology intelligently to organize life, protect focus, and turn effort into real results. Instead of installing everything at once, start small, choose a task app, organize your calendar, and clean up notification overload. Now tell me, which part of your routine do you feel most needs this digital shift today?